भाई आजकल क्या बढ़िया बढ़िया रील्स आती है, कसम से मज़ा आ जाता है। ये वाली देखो, अबे यार शिट, एग्ज़ाम्स भी तो आने वाले हैं, पढ़ाई भी करनी थी। क्या टाइम हो रहा है अभी? 4:56। एक काम करता हूँ, सीधा 5 बजे पढ़ने बैठ जाऊँगा मैं, तब तक मैं 4 मिनट बचे रील्स ही चला लेता हूँ वापस से। क्या कसम से भाई बढ़िया रील्स है। अबे यार 5 बजे तो पढ़ने बैठना था, टाइम क्या हो रहा है? 5:15 हो गए। अब क्या करूँ यार, 5 बजे तो पढ़ने बैठना था। एक काम करते हैं, अब सीधा 6 बजे ही पढ़ने बैठेंगे। This is the problem that most of us have faced or some of our may be facing, and today I am going to address that. Hello everyone, myself Akshit Batra from Man and Talk team, and today I am going to present a talk on the topic of procrastination. Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing a task. I know most of you here have already heard this term many times, but today we are going to understand it in a very relatable manner. You guys must have come across a very viral meme that goes like, आज मूड नहीं है, इसे कल करते हैं। तब तक मैं क्या करता हूँ, थोड़ी देर अपना इंस्टा स्क्रॉल कर लेता हूँ। That's procrastination. So let's dive deeper into its understanding. But before coming out on the strategies how to tackle this problem, firstly we are going to understand what are the underlying causes of this problem. One of them being lack of motivation. You know, if a task is boring or unpleasant, a person is naturally inclined to avoid it. The more we dislike a task, the more we are going to procrastinate it. You know, if we do not have a specific goal or a plan, we lose our focus and direction, and hence procrastinating, because we do not know what to do next. The other major cause is time management issues. We often believe that we have more time to do the task in the near future than doing it right now. From this, I remember a very famous doha from Kabir Das that goes like, "Kal kare so aaj kare so ab." And that aligns with my point. And that's one of the major solutions for the problem like procrastination. All of you must be like, why I am talking about procrastination? Like, isse hota hi kya hai? What's the problem that it's causing? But you know, my friend, there are several negative impacts on our life, personally and professionally. Some of them are decrease in your productivity, creativity, innovation, impact on your academic lifestyle, missing out on opportunities, and many more. So now let's come on the important topic. That's what are the strategies to handle this problem? There are many strategies, but I would recommend some that worked for me. One of them being set SMART goals, where SMART stand for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, and that provides you with confidence and motivation. The next point being time management techniques. Let us understand it with an example. Walk for 50 minutes and take a break for 10 minutes. And try not to use your mobile phone in that 10 minutes because that causes distraction. Instead, what you can do is, you can talk to your family or friends, eat something, go for a little walk, or anything else. Repeat this cycle to maintain focus and productivity. The point that worked for me is break larger tasks into smaller ones. Let us also understand it with an example. For example, you have to complete a chapter, and that has 8 topics in it. What you can do, you have 2 ways, either to complete it all together or break those 8 topics into 2 topics at a time and do that. In that way, the task looks less daunting and easier to start. In conclusion, I would like to say, procrastination is a very common problem, and that could be overcome by some strategies and plan. I hope my strategies would work for you guys. Thank you.